Hey guys, it's Shurropa Roblox here. Now, I'm back with another video. So basically, I'm responding to the backpack shop that I made on my channel. I'll post it on the screen. And people are having like trouble with like not having an infinite bag equipped and stuff. So I'm just gonna respond to that. Also people don't know how to add bags. So I guess I'll that. I guess it was kind of silly. First, I guess I'll start with the bug. So, or the so, basically, would go to your remote handler. Now, yeah, so, yeah, I didn't make that. Okay, I didn't make that. I haven't worked with this system in a long time, so. Alright. So if you go in the game, you can click and stuff. Basic. Anyways, so obviously it would work for me. Have it. But I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first things first. Go to your remote handler. Make a variable, and this can be called infinite storage. Now I will put this as a model. I will update the original model so you don't have to do this, but if you want, then, well then, yeah. So, infinite storage, pass ID. But I would recommend you follow. I'll put my pass. Now, the reason why it wasn't working was because once you equip the infinite bag, it will check if you have this pass, but people weren't changing that. So, yeah, that's why it didn't work. Alright, so now it should work. Okay, so that's in the remote handler. This is the infinite. So yeah, you just want to change this to your Game Pass ID. People were not doing this. I did show this in the video, but yeah, change this to your Game Pass ID. Change that. Okay. Make sure you change that. So yeah, you can change that. Change that. Now I'm gonna be showing you how to add the tags. So really simple. All you would do is go to bags. So first it's the starter bag. I think that's the starter bag. That is the old bag, I'm pretty sure. This is the red bag, and that's like the infinite bag. So let's make a purple bag or something. So purple cost 500. bag storage. This will be something right now. Then I think there's a model. Oh, I think I made it in here. Then you want to go to your shop UI. Item container. You want to duplicate the red bag. That's how you put a thing. We can change this. Purple bag. Make sure you exactly typed the name as for the bag. Make sure you do that, or else it won't work. Go to your button. Actually, no. And then to change the images, you just go here and then, yeah, you just change the image. So we could find like a image. I guess this will work. The asset ID. You would have this. Gosh, why is it lagging so much? Well, I understand why it's lagging. And then make sure you go up here and then just save. I understand why it's lagging. It's because I was video recording for some reason. But yeah, make sure you see the game or else it won't work. Well, you won't make any changes. Alright, so click, sell, whatever. Alright, so let's go thing. Yeah, purple bag, so bag, gold bag, red bag, purple bag, and infinite. Now the infinite bag, alright, so yeah, that's basically how you add more bags. And I'm sorry about the infinite pass not working. If you don't know how to have the game passes, you would just go on here. I want to see something. Here, I'll show you like how to add passes and stuff. So I guess this works. So this is a this is one of my tool shops I made. But you would go to this, you would click on add pass, then you would create it, you would find a image, then it'll ask you for pass name, description, and then you can preview. So I'm just gonna do this because I want you to see my image, even though you already did. So I choose this like an example image. It's like a test image. Then you would just write in backpack. And then you can preview, create file upload. Then you would go to configure, sales, and then make sure this item is for sale. If you do not have it, then it won't. Then you just change the Robux that you want. Sadly, Robux does take 70%. So if you do one, then it won't give you anything but two. So if you give like 240, you only get this much Robux, which is kind of bad because Roblox is, I don't know, they have all the Robux you want and they just take it away. So yeah, if this was like 100 million, pretty sure we would get 70 million. It's ridiculous. It takes so much away. But anyway, that's 20,000, so then you will get Yeah. So that, yeah, so let's just make this 1 Robux or something. And then once you're here, you would copy this. Then you would go to here. You could change the bag cost here. This will be the value. Someone was saying, like, how do you change the bag cost? Well, this is how you just change it. Really, this does not matter, but you do have to leave it there, else this will error. This doesn't really matter. It's kind of like a visual. But if you go over here, yeah, you would change this. Then you would change the shop handler. So I'm just gonna make it 0, and yeah, it's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, see you next one. Bye.